These are the Roxmad LED fog lights from LED Factory Mart, and they might be by far the best bang for your buck fog lights for the Tacoma.
First things first, let's see what comes in the box. Right out the gate, you're greeted with a sticker. Now, I love stickers, so this is a really nice touch. Next, a card showing off some of the other products they sell. Next, the instruction manual. I really like that they provided photo explanations for all the steps rather than a vague list. This instruction manual was super easy to follow. And now, for what we've been waiting for, the fog lights themselves. Right off the bat, these things feel awesome. Their entire body is made out of aluminum, which feels super sturdy. This should help a ton with keeping them cool. The build quality is top notch. Finally, we have the mounting bracket and bolts. Now it's time to begin the install. First things first, you're going to want to mount the brackets. These can be a little confusing, so I've removed one of the factory fog lights ahead of time to help line everything up. But the easy way to remember is the small brackets mount on the inside of the car, while the large brackets mount on the outside of the car. Once you have sorted out which brackets go where, put the washers in the bolts and bolt them into place. Repeat the process for both fog lights. Now, there are a number of ways you can install fog lights into the Tacoma, but if you've been off-roading recently and don't want to deal with a dirty wheel well, the best way is by removing the grill. To remove the grill, there are 6 push pins and 2 screws. Remove those and put them somewhere safe. Next, pull the front bumper off. It should come off with little effort. Next, you have some plastic guards that need to be removed. Each one has a push pin. Remove the pin and pull the guard off. Repeat the process for both sides. You should now have easy access to the fog lights from the front of your truck. Now, it is finally time to remove the fog lights. First, disconnect the factory wiring from the fog lights. Next, you will find a small screw on the top of the fog light. Remove it and store it somewhere safe. You'll need it later. You should now be able to remove the factory fog light. Now, go grab your LED Factory Mart fog light and slide it into place. Make sure you bring that screw along with you, as you'll need it to install the new light. Once you've screwed in the new light, connect the factory wiring to the fog light. Keep in mind, there is a negative and positive connection on it. If you accidentally plug it in the wrong way, it just won't turn on. If that happens, disconnect it, flip the plug it in again. The fog light is now installed and ready to go. Just repeat the process on the other side with the other fog light. Once both fog lights are installed, reassemble the grill and you're ready to go. The install process was super easy and could be done in under an hour. Overall, I am very impressed with these fog lights. The build quality is exceptional. These things feel sturdy and built to last. The install process was also straightforward and well explained in the instructions. Oh, and did I mention these things are extremely bright? For comparison, here are the factory fog lights. The fog lights light up a little bit of the grass, but not much beyond that. Now, here are the LED Factory Mart fog lights. They light up